Hey y'all, in today's video, I will be reviewing this 613 body wave wig in 26 inches from Yolissa Hair. And this is their 13x4 HD lace front unit. This unit initially came with more of a yellow tone to it, as you can see in the beginning clips. However, I did tint this hair to complement my skin complexion. So getting straight into the install, the first thing I'm going to do is cut the ear tabs off on each sides of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on my head. Then I'm going to cut my lace into 3 sections and work on each section separately, starting with the middle section. To lay my lace down today, I'm going in with the Bold Hold liquid gold glue as the first layer. For the second layer, I'm using the Kiss Lace Bond adhesive spray. I'm using my blow dryer on a medium heat setting to slightly dry this glue. And once I feel like the glue is tacky enough, then I'm going to go in and lay my lace down. Then you want to repeat those same exact steps to the other 2 sides of the lace. I'm going back in with that same adhesive spray, and I'm spraying a thin layer of that spray on top of the lace. Then I'm going in with my blow dryer on a medium heat setting to fully dry this lace. Once that's done, I'm going to go in with my elastic band, and then I'm also going to go in with my blow dryer, and on the hot heat setting, I'm going to blow dry on top of this lace to get that nice melted look. I do this step for about 5 minutes with the blow dryer, and then without the blow dryer, I keep the elastic band on for an extra 10 minutes. I like to go in and use the leftover foundation on my brush to blend the lace with my skin tone. Now it's time to cut off the lace, and when I cut off my lace, I like to cut in a zigzag motion, and I also like to cut in sections as well so that I can really focus on the details. I'm going in with a little bit of alcohol to wipe off the glue residue that was left on the lace. I'm going in with the Bedhead Masterpiece spray and applying a thin layer of that spray on top of the lace to lay down all of the areas that did not fully lay down the first time. Now that the lace is fully glued down, I'm going to go in and take out my pin curls. I curled my hair off camera, but if you want to know how I curl my hair, I do have videos prior to this one on how I curl my hair. I'm using the Keratin wax stick to mold the top of this wig. To blend this lace a little bit more with my skin tone, I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 15 to blend the lace with my skin tone. And I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace. I wanted to do a slight widow's peak look with this unit, so I'm only pulling out a small section of hair. Then I'm gonna go in and tweeze the entire section off, and this will create the widow's peak look. I'm using my hot comb on the hottest heat setting to flatten down the top of this wig. I'm taking my razor comb to create layers with this wig. Every time I have a curled unit, I always go in and create layers because it gives the hair more volume. I'm not doing any baby hairs with this unit, however, I am gonna pull out a little bit of sideburns just to create a certain look. I did receive a little bit of shedding with this unit, but I'm not surprised because one, it is a blonde unit. A lot of blonde units tend to shed. And two, I did pluck the hairline area for the widow's peak look, so I did expect some shedding. I went in with a wide tooth comb to comb out these curls. I went back in with my hot comb on the hottest heat setting just to make sure that the foundation of this wig is nice and flat. Although the unit is already curled, I'm going in with my T3 curler to kind of manipulate the hair to have certain curls in certain places. I'm really trying to go for a particular curl type of look. I didn't want all of my curls going in the same direction. I kind of wanted it to have like just this unique curl type of look. I really wanted the front of my hair to have this like layered feathered type of look, so I kept going in with my razor comb and kind of feathering it out and layering it. Here's the final look of this unit, and to be honest, I love this outcome. I feel like the hair is curled perfectly. The way it's layered and falling in my face, I just love the way it came out. I'm glad that I went with the no baby hair look. I feel like when it comes to blonde units, I'm just gonna stop doing the baby hair looks altogether. It just looks so much better. As far as the quality of this hair, I feel like the hair is definitely good quality, especially for a 613 unit. The hair was nice and full, it was soft, I was able to run my fingers through it. It was easy to curl and it held my curls for a long time as well. I'm glad that I actually toned this unit. I feel like the 613 yellow tone wouldn't work well with my skin complexion, so this blonde is really complementing my skin tone. I tinted this unit using the Shimmer Lights tinting shampoo, but I also went in with the Wella hair toner, so I will leave the link to that in the description box, and the color as well. Overall, I really do love the way that this hair came out. From the quality of the hair to the way it's styled and toned, I'm just really happy with the results. If y'all like the way that this unit came out, please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for my next video.